Thousands of migrants in New Zealand have long struggled with limited options to bring their parents for extended stays. But now, that's about to change. Starting 29th of September this year, New Zealand will launch a new long-term visitor visa called the Parent Boost Visa. Now, what is it? It allows parents of New Zealand citizens and residents to stay for up to 5 years at a time, with the option to renew it once for a total stay of up to 10 years. Now, this policy is part of a broader strategy to attract skilled foreign workers by offering them a more family-friendly immigration framework. Announced by Prime Minister Christopher Luxon, the Parent Boost Visa fulfills a key election promise made by his National Party in 2023. Earlier, the options for parents were limited, allowing only 6-month visits and requiring entry through a capped system. But now, the new visa offers stability with no annual cap, though the policy will be reviewed in 2027. And the government expects 2,000 to 10,000 applicants per year. This is also welcome news for the Indian diaspora, which forms a large part of New Zealand's migrant population. Currently, over 240,000 overseas Indians live in New Zealand, and for many, being able to bring their parents on long-term visits has been a major hurdle. So who can apply and how? Now, to be eligible for the Parent Boost Visa, applicants must be sponsored by a New Zealand citizen or resident, which is biological or adopted child, meet health and character standards, hold at least 1 year of health insurance coverage, be a genuine visitor with intent to return, undergo a health check at application and again in year 3 from outside New Zealand. Now remember that this visa is not a pathway to permanent residency. Now, what are the financial requirements? Applicants must meet at least one of the following financial criteria. Sponsor earns at least the New Zealand median wage. For joint sponsors, it's 1.5 times the median wage. Parent or parents have an ongoing income equivalent to New Zealand's superannuation thresholds. Parent or parents should have available funds of 160,000 New Zealand dollar, which is 82 lakh rupees for a single parent, and 250,000 New Zealand dollar, which is 1.29 crore rupees for a couple. Sponsors must also live in New Zealand and cover all expenses, from accommodation to healthcare. Let us know what you think of this new visa policy in the comments below. Do you think this could be a model for other nations too?